kids learning English at a very young age. So in my age, we started learning English when I'm 13, when I'm junior high. But now they wanted their kids to learn English even though they're just in kindergarten. Because people around them keep telling me, well, you gotta start learn early. If you don't start learning now, when you go to school, when they teach you some stuff, it will be too complicated for you to understand, and you will fall off. So some institutions. I learned all my English in school. So junior high 3 years, high school 3 years, college 4 years, and 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6.
That gives a lot of time.
10.
Right?
That's 10. Yeah. Wow. 10. You're good in English but bad at mathematics.
Huh? What?
You're good in English but bad at mathematics.
Yes, very bad at mathematics.
All right.
You won't believe how bad I am at it.
Mr.
All right. I just saw it. I just saw the
maths.
example. 3 plus 3 plus 4. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Oh, that's how you saw it. Okay.
Mr.
So are you good?
You should be better in mathematics, right? Because your major is in computer science and
Yeah. I think I'm good at mathematics. I love mathematics. So.
Really?
Yeah.
What's that like? Loving mathematics.
Whenever I see numbers,
they're too
I just
complicated.
feel. Yeah, whenever I see some numbers, I just have this kind of inner feeling that I just want to catch those numbers and play with them. That's what it feels like.
That's interesting.
Oh,
you are Korean student,
wow.
right?
I'm just kidding. No.
Okay, I thought you were. I mean, this man is a genius.
Yes, yes. I want to say that.
Okay. So what do you usually learn? Like math, physics, that kind of stuff?
Physics, no, not physics, because I just learned mathematics, some computational subjects, some algorithms, these kind of things.
Oh.
I think study mathematics is a genius, right?
They're smarter, I guess.
I don't think so, because everyone has their own strengths.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. It's very common here that if a person is very, very good at English and his mathematics will be very bad. I don't know why. Lots of people here are like this.
So that's why you're good at English, but you have to get something in order to lose something. You have to lose something in order to get something.
So I think your major is really easy to find a job in. It's very popular. It's a very popular major here.
It's easy to get a job, but I actually don't like it very much.
You don't like your major?
Yeah.
Why?
I think it's actually I don't like studying, to be very honest.
If someone study their major at 12B, the kind of just don't like their major at 12B heaven, right?
It was the major was an excuse for me to get out of to go study abroad.
Okay.
But now right now I'm studying it, so I'm not very interested in it. I can do it, I can solve it, I can do it, but it's not like something I can do it all day. And I'm very happy about it.
I understand. It's nice that you come to another country to pursue your college.
Go on.
I've been wanting to do that, but I have no clue here. So when I finished my college, I just started working instead of pursue a higher degree.
But but maybe in the future you can try some things. Even if you don't want to go to any country far away from you, you can go to some nearby countries. I know a lot of people who go study in Thailand, Malaysia, these kind of countries, and it's easy to go over there. It's also cheap.
Okay.
Yeah.
That should be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still thinking. After college, you gotta think what are you gonna do next.
Yeah, sometimes because after my undergraduate, I remember I found a job and I was doing the job. It was good, but then again, I didn't like working, so I just kept applying to some different universities, and then I got an offer from this university. So I quit my job and then I came here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so I learned a lot of things from both of you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Shahzeb. Best of luck for your IELTS. All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
How to say his name?
Shahzeb.
Shahzeb.
My full name is Sayyid Sabir Shah.
Okay. Sorry,
You
that's too
can't-
long for me.
you can't pronounce it.
I can't speak that. I don't know what you're saying. You can try again. You can try again.
It's all right. It's
Okay.
okay.
It will be Sayyid Sabir Shah, right?
Yeah. Sayyid Sabir Shah. All right.
See, Shabashah.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
Bye bye. Shabashah.
You call me Shazib. That's easy.
Call me Shahzeb.
No, he said, call me Shahzeb, not call.
What's
Call
the
me.
difference?
Call me.
Call me Shahzeb.
Call me is English. Call me Shahzeb.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's.
What do you mean? You want me to call you?
No, he said you can call him Shahzeb. You can just pronounce his name like Shahzeb.
I can call him
Okay.
Shahzeb.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I thought you want me to call him.